Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, I will show you how to delete an Instagram business account. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the business account you want to delete. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on the profile button located at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your posts, followers, and other details. Step 3. Now look for the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu button, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the Settings and Options menu. Step 4. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it to access additional settings related to your business account. Step 5. Inside the Creator Tools and Controls section, you'll see an option called Switch Account Type. Tap on it to proceed. This is where you can change your account from a business profile back to a personal one. Step 6. Next, tap on Switch to Personal Account. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action, as switching to a personal account will remove certain business features like insights and the ability to run ads. Step 7. Follow the prompts on the screen, and when you're ready, tap the red button to confirm the switch. This will officially convert your business account into a personal one. Step 8. Finally, exit the app or refresh it to see the changes. Your account should now be a personal account, and your business features will no longer be available. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram business account by switching it back to a personal account. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.